Getting a SIM not supported error on your iPhone? Let's fix it step by step. First, check if your iPhone is carrier locked. Open Settings, then tap General, tap About. Scroll down to Carrier Lock. If it says No SIM Restrictions, your phone is unlocked. If not, you'll need to contact your carrier to unlock it. Go to Settings, then tap Cellular. If a carrier update appears, install it. These updates help your SIM connect properly. Turn airplane mode on. Wait 5 to 10 seconds. Turn it off again. This refreshes the network connection. Remove the SIM tray using a SIM ejector. Take the SIM out, place it back properly, and reinsert the tray. Make sure the SIM is seated correctly. Press volume up, then volume down. Hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. This clears temporary system glitches. If nothing works, go to Settings, then tap General, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then tap Reset Network Settings. This won't delete data, but resets Wi-Fi and cellular settings. And that's it. Your SIM should now work normally. Subscribe for more quick iPhone fixes.